So here is the giant mountain of cabinets, end panels, skins, crown molding, shelves. I don't know what that is. Some sort of track. I think the goal today is just to, well, we'll see how far I get. I want the uppers in today. There aren't very many uppers. Hopefully they're in some sort of order, like uppers. This is an upper cabinet. Man, I wish you guys could see the show that's going on in there. So not only is there an interior designer, there's also a kitchen designer. And then there is another cabinet manufacturer. But it is 2:50 in the afternoon, and I still haven't installed a cabinet. They were supposed to be here at 11:30. They didn't show up till 1:30. And basically I just talked to a bunch of women for the last 2 hours. Well, actually, the last 2 hours of talking to the homeowner. The designer showed up, and then the interior designer showed up. The amount of money these people are paying in just designers. And get this, the kitchen designer also sells makeup as a side business. I'm like, man, this is just weird. And I started feeling sorry for the customer because, I mean, they're paying a lot of money for all these design features, and it's just white cabinets. I mean, you can get these same cabinets at Home Depot. The quality of the construction, it's okay. It's basically 1/2-inch plywood boxes and face frames, and then a shaker with a little detail door. But I'm like, hey, they must have the money. Definitely. But anyways, I'm about ready to faint. It's, like I said, 2:50 in the afternoon. I'm gonna have some sandwiches, some Gatorade, check the YouTube comments, and I'm only doing the uppers today. I'm going to do the uppers today, bases tomorrow. And yeah, we'll go in as soon as I'm done with these sandwiches and show you how I do it. Never get rid of that line with white cabinets. The wood has got a slight bevel on each end. And up here, it's even more beveled. See how it gets tight and then loose? That's because this wood is rounded over. These corner doors are funky. I still have to put this little brass catch on. Goes into those little bearings. It's like that. But still, you have kids that come like this. Smash. You gotta push it in that way and then push it. This one here, of course there is some adjustments. Yeah, I have to adjust that. But kind of goofy. Smash. Wanted to point out that the inside of these cabinets, really nice, shiny, very high quality. Gotta figure out how to get this material. And there's a jig you can buy that drills these holes. Gotta get that too. I think Craig makes it. Now the outside, you can see just the frames and the doors have this enamel paint on it. Not sure what it is, but I am gonna find out. This here just looks like it's primered. The underneath side, shiny, just like that.